Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to open a Bank of America account online. First thing you need to do is go to bankofamerica.com and click on Enroll in the login box. Enter the last 6 digits of your debit or credit card or account number, then enter your social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have an SSN or TIN, click on Don't Have It for other options, then click Continue. Now enter and confirm your email address, then click Send Code. Check your email for the authorization code and enter it on the website. Select your ATM or debit card, then enter your PIN and select Submit. All you have to do now is review the electronic communication disclosure. Check the box to acknowledge it, then continue. Review all the online banking service agreement and check the box to acknowledge it, then click Continue. Choose a secure online ID and password and confirm them, then click Continue. Just a security tip, never share your online ID or password. Now choose whether to remember your device or not and click Continue. If using a public computer, select No. You're now enrolled in online banking. Log in using your new online ID and password. Once you're finished, log out at the top right of the screen for security, and that's it. You're now set up for a Bank of America online banking account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.